Hi, my name is Reese and this summer I spent interning at Three Little Birds Boutique as a retail and merchandising intern. My responsibilities included uploading new shipments into Shopify, creating content on social media, merchandising the store, designing apparel prints, and transferring and adding inventory. I found this internship through a connection. I applied for their program online using LinkedIn. I did an interview over Zoom with the owner, and I accepted the internship within 2 weeks. Throughout my experience, I enjoyed making content for the company's social media as well as merchandising. The 3 most important things I learned during my internship is how to create designs on Affinity, managing inventory, and learning how to merchandise items based on color schemes. Some advice I have to future interns is to start applying early so you do not have to stress.